Moving on, Mahia settled for a 1-1 draw with Posta Rangers in a SportPesa League match that was played at the Nyayo Stadium in Nairobi. A first-half header from Jackson Macharia appeared to have set the mailmen on course for a massive upset, only for Ghanaian forward Ebenezer Asifor to strike in stoppage time, extending Rangers' winless run to 11 matches.
Jackson Macharia! Enoch Morrison inajazwa ndani, amekataa Elvis Osok, bado naye tena Morrison analeta ndani, nafasi
tunashukuru Mwenyezi Mungu kwa hii alama moja. Ukiangalia ni game kubwa, alafu ukiangalia mahali pia sisi tumekuwa na game hazijakuwa ni nzuri, na I think ni direction nzuri kwa game ya leo, so tunapanga tuone game next vile itakuwa.
First of all, we thank God for the point. It's part of the game. You just come in the game, you expect to win. But any result that comes is good for us because we are at the top still, and 1 point is also good for us. So we thank God for the point. Yeah.
Now, rally driver Tinashe Gati